What's up guys, my name is Jason. Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a cloudy and grunge opium effect. So starting off, I already have my clip imported right here. I'm gonna right click and make a new adjustment layer. I'm gonna go to my effects and presets tab, and then for the first effect I'm gonna add is posterize time. Drag it in right there, go to frame rate and bring it down from 24 all the way to 14. And then we're gonna close that out. Then for our next effect I'm gonna add is mosaic, and it's gonna give this nice and kind of blocky look, but we're actually gonna increase it so it's not that blocky. So we're gonna bring it to 380. So I'm gonna go right there and input it on both of our blocks right here on a horizontal and vertical. Leave it at 380. So I'm gonna close that out. I'm gonna go to my effects and presets tab, and then I'm gonna go to our hue and saturation right here, drag it in. Then I go to my master saturation right here, and since it's a grunge effect, I'm gonna actually lower down our saturation all the way down to -100, and it's gonna give this a very cool and black and white effect. So I'm gonna close it out right there. Close that out, and then for our next effect I'm gonna add is fractal noise. So right here I'm gonna drag it in, and it's gonna be right on top of our actual video clip, but don't worry, this is part of the process. So I'm gonna go over here to our fractal type, then I'm gonna put it on subscale, go to our noise type, and then go from soft linear all the way to linear. Then I'm going over here to our blending mode, and I'm gonna put it on actual multiply. It's gonna give this nice and dark cloudy effect. I'm gonna go right here to our contrast and bring it down from 100 to 65. Then go to our brightness right here, and then you could go ahead and increase our brightness a bit right here, maybe increase it a bit more right there. I think it's kind of perfect. So we're gonna head to the beginning of our clip right here, and we're gonna go to our evolution, create our first keyframe, and on our first keyframe it's going to be add 0. Open up our timeline. Then we're gonna head to the end of our clip right here, and we're gonna put our axis right here on the right side from 0 all the way up to 235. Then I'm gonna highlight both of our keyframes, F90 ease them, push this one back right here. Then I'm gonna close that out, and if we were to go right here, you can see how the actual fractal noise is moving around right here. But apart from that, we're still not done. We need one more effect, which is going to be the noise effect. Drag it in, turn off use noise color, or yeah, not use noise color, use color noise. And we're going to go over here to our amount of noise and bring it up all the way to 29. Close out our timeline, and yeah, that is how you create a cloudy and grunge opium effect in After Effects. And apart from that, keep working hard, staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.